In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for hospitality topic ideas fast and easy. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to head over to Google. Once you're there, simply type Google Trends into the search bar. It's one of those go-to tools that marketers and businesses across various industries use to see what's capturing people's interest online. You should see it as the top result. Go ahead and click on that first link. Once the Google Trends homepage loads, you'll notice a button labeled Explore, prominently displayed. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Now think about some key areas within the hospitality industry that you want to explore or write about. Perhaps hotel marketing, resort amenities, event hosting, or hospitality technology. Type those keywords into the search box, one at a time, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can type in a couple of them together. After entering your keywords, simply press the Enter key. Now you're going to see options on the page to narrow down your search. Start by setting your location. This means you can choose the country, region, or even city where your audience resides. Next, think about the time frame you are interested in. Google Trends allows you to view data from the past 12 months up to the last 5 years, which can be really useful for spotting seasonal trends. Don't forget to also select an appropriate category, such as travel and hospitality, or whatever fits your specific interest. At this point, you'll be looking at the interest over time graph, which shows you how search volumes for your keywords have changed. If you see a steadily rising line, that's a topic worth investing in. A sudden spike might indicate a seasonal or trending topic, like summer resorts or holiday events, while a downward trend could suggest a topic that is losing its appeal. Studying this graph will give you insights into which topics are worth diving into. Scroll down and you'll find sections labeled Related Topics and Related Queries. Here, you'll find emerging trends under the Rising category, such as contactless check-in, while the top section shows consistently popular topics, like hotel deals or luxury resorts. Analyzing these related trends can provide a wealth of content ideas. Finally, for a comprehensive analysis, you can compare multiple keywords. Use the plus compare option to add 2 to 5 more topics you're considering. Doing this lets you see side by side which topics have stronger or growing interest compared to others. This side-by-side view can really help prioritize which ideas to develop further in your marketing strategy. And that's it. You're now equipped to use Google Trends to generate fresh, relevant content ideas in the hospitality industry. I hope you found this guide helpful. Dive in, explore, and start planning your next big piece of content today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips.